Yesterday we talked about how good readers make predictions about the text. Today we're going to talk about cause and effect. Okay, so hopefully you had a chance to listen to the whole story today. I had Noah read it today to mix things up a little bit. So was my prediction right? Did Skunk get to help the Easter Bunny? Yes, he did. I was wrong. So on my writing for the first day, I'd have to circle the present, or I'd have to color the present because I was surprised. I didn't think he'd let the skunk help out, but he did let the skunk help out. Okay, so today we're going to retell the story, and we're going to retell the story with our worksheet here. So you need to get out of your Writer's Workshop folder the writing page for day 2, as well as the page that has the cause and effect pictures. All right, you're going to have to get your scissors and a glue stick as well so that you can complete this activity. All right, so we're going to retell the story of the Easter Bunny's assistant using these little cards to tell cause and effect. So the first thing that happened is we had Skunk and Easter Bunny ready to decorate Easter eggs, all right? And so the bunny said the first step that we had to do was to hard boil the eggs. As he started boiling the eggs, Skunk got really excited and he stunk up the room. And that's when the bunny said, "What is that smell?" And the skunk told us, "Oh dear, when I get excited, I kind of do that." And so the bunny said, "Well, try and control yourself." So the next step is that you have to mix the dye. That's the next thing that the Easter Bunny told us that you have to do. Well, he started to mix the dye, and sure enough, what happened to our friend Skunk? Well, he got stinky again. The next thing that happened was the Easter Bunny told us that we need to get a crayon and color the eggs. Well, sure enough, what happened to Skunk when this happened? Well, he got stinky again. So step 4, which we don't have cards for, the Easter Bunny told us was you need to get rid of the skunk, and you have to push him if necessary. And then he told us after that you have to dye the eggs. Well, when he dyed the eggs, he had pushed the skunk out the window, so the skunk was outside knocking on the window wanting to come in. Well, after the eggs were all done, the Easter Bunny asked us if we thought he should let Skunk help him pass out the eggs. And we thought he probably should. And so how did he solve the problem? Well, he got a clip for his nose. So Skunk is still stinky, but he clipped his nose. So he figured out a way to fix his problem. All right, make sure you get your whole page completed. You can pause the video and look at my page, and so you know how to complete yours. When you're all done, stick it in your Reading Workshop folder, and I'll check it later. Thank you.